Hey guys, I got a joke for you. Why didn't 4 ask out 5? It's because he was too squared. Hey guys, welcome back. We're here with another exciting episode. What we're going to do today is we are going to watch Men with the Pot on TikTok. It's basically cooking, and I'm hungry, so this is probably a horrible idea, but we're going to do it anyways because cooking. I mean, who doesn't want to see awesome food, right? So let's get into it. So it looks like the first one we're going to end up starting with is unique burger with character. Now, I probably won't be able to name off all the ingredients that he's putting in this because I'm not any master chef or anything, but I'll try to label them as we go. And yeah, we'll see if it's actually a unique burger with character. See a lot of salt, bay leaves, looks like honey, onion, obviously, bell peppers, cucumber. That's what it looked like. I don't know what those berries are. Got some milk and some flour and some stuff and some garlic. Oh, I love garlic. Love garlic. I don't know what that is. Lemon. Mayo or Miracle Whip with some... I don't know what those were either. Are those the buns? Oh, those were just the buns. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's putting like chicken inside the... Oh. Okay. Dude, that looks so good. Dude. Oh, that sound. That is just beautiful when he's taking a bite. It's... Oh. I would eat the crap out of the burger if I could. I can't open my jaw very wide. So, it's like... Yeah, the car accident really messed me up. Oh well. Anyways. Next one! Okay, so we got potatoes. Looks like some flour. Ham. Oh, you give it to the dog. The dog deserves a treat. All dogs do. More onion. Ooh, some nice bacon. Some sort of cheese is what that looked like. Little tomatoes, maybe? Okay, we're rolling it out. That's a good idea. Is it like a pierogi? Yeah, those look good. Some sauce. I'm not sure what kind of sauce that is. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, the crunch. The crunch. Yes. Oh. Next. Next one. Yep, those were pierogies. Just looked at the description. I'm not sure, like, saw some egg, I think. Onion. Again. Always onion. I don't know. Nice. Ah, well, I wouldn't be cooking near those guys. They're evil. Bees, fine. Wasp, no. Salt. Bunch of dry ingredients that I didn't know what they all were. Got like an egg wash. Okay. Let's see what he's doing. Those look fantastic. Oh, so spongy. Oh, that's good. Lather up some of that sauce. Take a bite. Oh, it was a tiny crunch, but it was there. Okay, we got some chicken. He's marinating that in whatever he just cooked up. Okay. Onion again, of course. Cabbage? Once again, I don't know what that is. It's not cilantro. I don't know what it is. Some sort of cream. chopping it up. Oh, that's the pasta. Okay, duh. Alright, alright. Huh. That's different. Pasta burger, huh? This is something I've never seen before. Ooh, that looks really good. Oh, yeah. Oh! Oh, the crunch. He used those as the bun, the pasta patties. That's... Never seen that before. That was really good, though. That looked really good. I don't think I'd be able to make that on my own, though. I'm not good enough at cooking for that. Next one! So we got some salt. We got just other things. That same thing again. I don't know what that is. It's gotta be like thyme or something. I would assume. Some meatballs. Tomato. Garlic again. Never have too much garlic. That's a lie. You can't, but it's difficult to have too much garlic. Oh. I liked how that did that for some reason. Yeah. Oh, that's just nice. Oh, he's cutting it out. Oh, he's making a bowl. Oh, yeah. Oh, look how good that is. Oh my gosh. Dude. Oh, yeah. Is there gonna be a crunch? No crunch, but definitely really, really awesome. Oh, that looks so good. Next one. Okay. Some more of that stuff. Looks like honey. Some more bell pepper. Garlic again. Yes. Always garlic. Always. Some lemon. Oh. Oh, okay. I was like, what is happening? He's cooking it. Sorry. Yeah. Slap them steaks. Slap that meat. Slap it as meat. Oh, perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Oh, man. Oh, that looks so good. Not much of a crunch, but I bet you that tasted flippin' amazing. Oh my god. This is a horrible idea to do hungry. What am I doing with my life? Alright, next one. Okay, he's building a rack. It's a bug. Ah, random hidden egg. It's an Easter egg. Some nuts? Yep. Oh, he's making, okay. He's making like a chocolate sauce of some sort. Oh, and he's putting Oreos in it. Okay. Got the Oreos, putting it in there. It's a pastry of some sort, obviously, I guess. Yeah. Him and the dog, just chilling. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, yeah. I dig it. That looked good. That's a good looking dessert. Next one! Ah! Vegetable ninja. Get it? Instead of fruit ninja? Yeah. Sorry, I'm an idiot. It's fine. Garlic! Yeah. Then he's got adding the tomato and some ground meat of some sort. I see. He's just rolling it up. Bug! Rolling it up. Oh, he's putting it up vertically. I almost said horizontally. Oh, that looks so good. Then he's just covering it up. Got some heat on top and bottom. Oh, he almost dropped it. Oh, that looks so freaking good. Oh, man. Alright, next one. Okay, some bacon or pork belly of some sort. Vegetable ninja again. With some onion. Garlic! Yeah. Add some bacon. There's the onion. There's a lot of onion. Oh, peaches? And I don't know if that was... Up. Hey, you gotta take it out of the bottle first, Jack. Potatoes. Add them to the fryer. Some green onion, I think is what that was. Oh, that just was crisp. Oh, yeah. And there's the meat with the meat topping. Meat with meat topping. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks so good. I can't cook well enough. I wished I could. Oh, well. Next one! What's that? Okay, he went to the market and got a whole thing. I just see a leg sticking out. Yep, it's a whole leg. Is it kicked off the cow leg, or it's probably the cow leg? Just walking. Just walking. Stopping for a beer. He's still just walking. Waiting. Walking some more. Still walking. Finally made it. Why does that look like some sort of medieval torture device? Oh, it's like already cooked, or it's cured. It's cured. Okay. Next one! Nope. Got it. Nailed it. That was cool. Got some peppers. Is that ginger? That's ginger. Okay. More garlic. Always garlic. Bacon. Okay. Okay, and then salmon. Okay. Wrapping that shit up. And then I don't know what that was. Oh, it was the dough. Okay. Oh, see, that's cool. I want to learn how to do pastry like that. Like, it's obviously pretty easy. You just score it one way and then you flip it. I don't know. I'd probably mess it up somehow still, though. I'm stupid. Oh, that looks so good. Not much of a crunch on that one either, but still looks great. Next one! Okay. I can already tell this one's gonna be great. That looks so freaking good. Just pouring, just oozing. I love cheese. I love cheese. Okay. Oh wait, this is a compilation. This isn't cooking. That's fine. Still awesome. That one looks really, really good. Oh, this is just a dipping compilation. Okay. All this looks so freaking good. Oh, man. Dip it! Dip it! Oh, hey, that one's a dessert. It looks like he's... almost looks like a spinach dip, but it was weird. That looks good, too. Alright. So that was a dipping compilation. Got it. Next one! Egg, flour, looked like some sort of miak. Sausage. Unwrapped sausage. Took the skin off. Meatballs. Onion. Garlic. A puppy dog. That wasn't an ingredient, that's just a puppy dog. We don't use puppy dogs as ingredients around this area. Well, I got throw shit at me. Looks good, looks good. Cheese. Gotta always have cheese. Oh, it's like a little pizza with the meatballs and the stuff. Okay. And it's a stuffed crust pizza too, and oh, and it's got like some egg on it. That's that was in one of the dipping, in the dipping compilation we just saw. Not bad, not bad. Next one. Rice. We got some rice. Nice lemon cut. Oh, just gonna leave the whole lemon in there. Okay. Got some flour, some butter, and some water and milk and shit. More onion. Tomato. See, now, I'm one of those guys, I don't know if tomato is actually a fruit or a vegetable. I consider it a vegetable because, I mean, I don't put it on my cereal in the morning, you know, so, I put it on a burger. I consider it a vegetable in my opinion. But I also just eat tomato plain. Like, I can eat a tomato like an apple. It's just a little bit of salt. It's great. But, so technically, he was a fruit and a vegetable ninja just then. So, fruit ninja, vegetable ninja. Got it. Vegetable ninja again. Flowers. Yeah. Oh, he made like a flatbread, Indian bread type thing. Okay. Sauteed onions. There's the dry seasonings going in. Peppers, chicken. Oh yeah. Very nice. It's very nice. Oh, that looks good. Gorgeous. Next one! You can hear the crunch. Oh, the crunch. Wait, is this a crunch compilation? Wait for it. Oh, I dropped some. Okay, there wasn't a crunch on that one. This is a compilation of satisfying moments. Oh, this is gonna have to have a good crunch. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, that was the best one. That was a good one too. That was a crisp, crisp crunch. Ah, the crunch. That was just music to my ears. So, I'm extremely hungry. I just heard a bunch of crunches. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there, and I'm going to go get some food. It's probably not going to be as amazing as any of this, but it's still food, so it's fine. But, yeah, so if you guys like the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the cool stuff, or else you'll make my dog sad. You don't want to do that. You don't want to make a dog sad. Why would you want to make a dog sad? Like, that's just like evil. Don't be evil. Until next time. Bye.